So, what's next? Let's keep rolling.
I would say if you check the alignment of the derailleur hanger, you're definitely going to find something.
Right. Yes, derailleur hanger alignment, a process that's often overlooked but extremely important for anyone looking for precise shifting.
Little noisy. I mean, a derailleur hanger alignment gauge seems like a specialty tool, but to me it's sort of like one of the first tools you should have if you're really serious about working on your own bike.
Exactly, and your friends.
Because you absolutely can't get the derailleur to shift right without one.
Okay, so what is this derailleur hanger alignment gauge? Let's take a closer look at what it fixes. The little piece of metal that holds the derailleur can get bent and mess up your shifting. A derailleur hanger alignment gauge measures and allows you to correct any issues at the hanger.
It's a little bit off.
It's a little bit off.
We've seen worse. Thumb, you're good. You fail the index, you fail the pinky. We got too much room.
Let's just go a little deeper on this. The derailleur hanger needs to be lined up with the cogs in order to get good shifting. When the derailleur hanger is bent, the guide pulley doesn't line up with the cogs, and then there's problems.
The derailleur hanger alignment gauge effectively allows us to extend this plane out to the rim. A small discrepancy down here will show up larger up here. And to check for problems, we run the measuring pin to the rim, lock the pin in place, rotate the tool 180 degrees, and if there's a gap between the pin and the rim, we know our hanger is bent. In this other video, we cover all the procedural details. And here on Seth's bike, the gap is well beyond a few millimeters, which means we'll have to do some bending. So we're going to come in, we want to close half of that gap.
Okay.
So give us a shove to me, just a bit. Okay. Now let's go back down and see if we made progress. You'd made some progress. In other words, it was touching before. Hey!
A half a pinky.
Let's go.
Yeah.
The little ones are the toughies. Let's go again.
Let's see.
See, I bet there.
We'll really give her, yeah.
Nothing. The little ones are the...
Yeah, let's...
I like your bracing technique.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice there. We'll get us... Oh, this feels good.
Here we go.
This feels good here. Yep. Man, you could not get closer. That's
all right. That's what we want.
This clearly wasn't Seth's first time using a derailleur hanger alignment gauge, but even if you're not chewing through intense trails like Seth, you can get a bent hanger just by dropping your bike on the ground. And oftentimes, even a new hanger needs alignment.
No matter what you do, you can't get it to shift right unless the derailleur hanger is straight.
And especially with these 10, 11, 12 speeds.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
This wraps up our little trilogy with Seth and his bike. And if you're looking for more content, be sure to watch our sit-down interview with Seth and also his job interview at the Park Tool Mobile Workshop. Thanks again, Seth, for visiting the Park Tool headquarters, and we'll see you on the trails.